Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. The unit we're going to be trying on today is a Faux Locs wig, and I got this one off Amazon, and I'm praying and hoping that it turns out as good as I have it in my head. So I'm going to have the direct links, every information that you need written in my description box. So let's just go ahead and see what we have inside. So this is what we have going on straight out of the pack. This unit comes with 2 combs on the sides and of course our adjustable straps at the back as well, and the cap construction is really nice. It's a bit stretchy, and that's pretty much all that we have, you guys, and this feels really soft and nice. So we're just going to head right into styling, and I'll be back with my final thoughts.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that code? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering his feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach.
Alright you guys, so this is what we have after styling, and I think this one is really cute. I really love it. It took me a minute though to get into it, but once I did, I absolutely love it. And styling was super minimal with this one. All I did was just pop out my head. This is a pop on your head and go kind of vibe, no stress, no drama, although I had to go in with my peak comb to just fluff out a little bit to make her a little bit poofy and to have the ends also looking more natural. And I had to also go in with my scissors just to cut some of the pieces that were too long and was getting into my eyes. But besides that, you guys, I didn't have to do too much with this one, and she's cute. Even though I kind of feel like I'm going to have to change my lipstick today. I feel like this lip color is doing too much for me. I'm not sure. I feel like a peachy nude, something in that, you know, in that shade is going to do it for me with this look. So I think I'm going to definitely change it. But back to the hair and back to what we're talking about, I didn't really experience any form of shedding or tangling with her. This was super nice, super fluffy, feels really nice. Can't wait to take pictures with her. I feel like this is such a great wig for everyday wear. If you're a beginner and you just want to pop on your head and go kind of vibe, this is a great one to give a try. This feels really nice and comfortable on my head. I do not feel I don't feel it being too tight or anything like that. I feel like if your head is bigger than my 22.5 inches head, this is definitely going to work for you, because like I said earlier, the cap has a bit of stretch to it and it feels really nice and comfortable on my head, and she does feel really nice and soft too. And that's pretty much it, you guys. This one is going to be a short, straight to the point, no stress, no drama kind of video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I'm going to have the direct links, every information that you need written in my description box. And don't forget to give a huge thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, join the family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.